If you manufacture a complex product, meaning that it contains lots of components, maybe there's a deep bill of materials with lots of subassemblies, then it would probably behoove you to have a strong approach to engineering change management so that you have good control over how engineering changes are transferred from engineering to production. That means that you have to maintain two bills of materials, an engineering bill of materials and a manufacturing bill of materials. You may ask, why do I need two bill of materials? Well, listen, there are reasons. There are good reasons why you need two. The core of it lies in that you engineer a product in one way and you manufacture it a little bit differently perhaps than it was contemplated and designed. Not because the engineers are necessarily doing anything wrong, it's just the nature of the biz. So if you're managing a bill of materials only in your ERP, while at the same time having a significant engineering design effort, you've probably got a problem. There's lots of ways to approach engineering change management. It's a full spectrum. At one end of the spectrum, you could take a very simple, informal approach, like emails or catching Bobby in the hallway and saying, hey, can you please buy this part? At the other end of the spectrum, you'd have more formal, rigorous approach to engineering change management, like having a PLM or a PDM system with formal ECOs, engineering change orders, that are tied to ERP. So you probably want to practice something that's intermediate. A lot of people use spreadsheets, but I can tell you that their spreadsheets usually are composed in a way that don't really lend themselves to effectively transferring information from engineering to manufacturing. So if you find yourself in this situation, you've got to find out the difference between an EBOM and an MBOM and how to manage the information flow between the two using engineering change management.